In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Canva email template in Sendgrid. The goal is to take an email design you created in Canva, turn it into an image file, and then place that image into Sendgrid so you can send it as part of a marketing email. First, open Canva. When Canva opens, you will be looking for the place where your email design is stored. This is where the visual part of your email gets created, so it is important to start here before you touch Sendgrid. Next, open your email template. Click the template file so it loads in the editor. At this point, you should double-check that everything looks the way you want, including spacing, text, images, and overall layout. Since you will be exporting this design next, taking a moment to confirm it now saves time later. After you confirm the design, click Share. The Share option is the section where Canva prepares downloads and export settings. This is an important step because it controls what file type you will get, and Sendgrid will work best when you choose an image format. Then click Download. This takes you to the download options for your Canva template. Depending on your template, Canva may show several file formats. Look for the format choices that are suitable for images and that match what you can upload into Sendgrid. Choose PNG or JPG. PNG is usually great for crisp graphics and images with sharp edges, while JPG can be smaller and is often fine for photos. Pick the one that best matches your design needs. Once you select PNG or JPG, the download process will start with the file type you chose. Click Download again to start the actual file export. Canva will generate the file and save it to your device. Wait until the download completes, because you need that finished image to upload into Sendgrid in the next part. Now that you have your image, open Sendgrid. This is where you will build the actual email message. In Sendgrid, you will switch to the marketing area so you can create a single send email using the design you exported. Click Marketing, then click Single Sends. Single Sends is designed for sending one marketing email campaign. After you enter this area, you will be able to open an existing email or create a new one to insert your Canva image. Next, open or create an email. If you already have a draft you want to use, open it. Otherwise, choose the option that lets you create a new email. At this point, your focus is on getting into the email editor, because that is where you will add the image block. Once the email editor is open, drag an image block into the email. This is the section where the visual content will live. Dragging the image block ensures the email has a dedicated place to display your Canva design. Then upload your Canva image. In the image block, use the Upload option to select the file you downloaded from Canva. Make sure you select the correct file that contains your email template design, and then proceed. After the image is uploaded, click the uploaded image. This selects the image inside the editor. Selecting it is important because it tells Sendgrid which image you want to embed into the email. Now click Insert Image. This action places the selected image into the email content area. After you insert it, you should take a quick moment to confirm the image appears where you expect in the email. If the size or placement does not look right, you may be able to adjust it within the editor, but the key goal is to make sure it is inserted correctly. Finally, click Save. Saving ensures your changes are kept in the system and the email content is ready for the next step in sending. This last step is the one that turns your inserted design into a stored, usable part of the email draft, and that covers everything you need to know.